Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Take two. Take two. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I got my medication, duloxetine 60 milligram. It improves my mood. I'm okay. I'm good. I don't feel pain. I feel much better mood after 1 hour of that, and that's good. Unfortunately, fortunately for me, but unfortunately for my wife, and she's okay, but she's not gonna feel any pain here. I'm not gonna feel any pain when she hits me in the head, because I got this guy here, right? Oh, it's not heavy. It's just bulky. It's just a bulky guy. I'll let you read this, so pause it if you want to, and yeah, but this is really sexy guy, and I love it. Yeah, I love it. So there you go. Is it upside down? No. Yeah. Good. Let's go. Let's go dive into the box to see what's inside, and then we're gonna compare it with my DX and DX9, old one, which I have. Go. Okay. It's what you get. Okay, it's here. Okay, open this. Okay, there you go. Pull this out. Oh, actually, you know what? It's upside down. Let's put it down a little bit more. Stays down, right? It goes like this way. Let's get rid of the box. You get this thing. Very nice. Lots of stuff to play around, and then to cut out and use on different. This thing is also good. Most people don't read the manuals, but actually they're quite nice. Instruction manual, Bedienungsanleitung in German. I was born in Germany, so I know some German stuff. And then you get like a free brand swag just for registering your new product stuff, and you get some other stuff, warranty information. What is this? That's lithium-ion safety bar, safety what? Sicherheitsrichtlinie, and manuals. Again, manuals. It's really nice. But I think the best manuals is basically to use it, right? This is made 2021 and 12, updated in December 2020, but let's see, 2021. Okay, NX10. So that's the box. It looks like the eggs, right? Like eggs. I'm vegetarian, but sometimes I eat eggs and fish and stuff. And that's how it comes in this thing, in nylon. Sorry about my speech. I didn't use I had an examination this morning, and I stopped using my medications for like almost 2 days now, and yeah, what you don't want to hear that, but I just feel a little bit excited at the same time, and also kind of impaired almost. This is a small Allen key. This thing I like too. It's nice. it's the first time opening, and people complain about this, and I'm gonna put some covering, because when you put it here, right over there, then this thing bumps into the screen and damages the screen. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do some protection, and I love my screens. I'm a very picky guy, and this is an interesting thing. That's the reason I bought this, actually. I'm joking. It's not. That's not that magnetic thing you can buy separately. You can purchase separately, right? You see, you just plug it inside on the back. Yeah, you have to follow the. Yeah, you have to follow the correct. So it goes like this. It goes like this, and you press it, and then it stays there, I guess, right? And when you want to charge it, you just do it like this. And it sticks a little bit out, as far as I can see here. And I think you can use it this way, or this way. Oh, okay. It's quite strong. It's not supposed. Oh, okay. You have to slide it. So when you put it, that's okay. But you twist it, kind of. Break it down, and then it's good. If you just pull it up, I guess, then it's not gonna work. But if you just break it down or up, it's gonna work. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's it. And this is important stuff too, right? This is high capacity, the guy. Yeah. 3.7, 6,000 milliamps, 1S, 22.2 watt hour. This is really, really, really good stuff. And as I can see, it's a 1, 2, 3 cylindrical thing, which which allows you a lot of flight times. Yeah. Why this thing never works out of the like easily, right? Or maybe you have to put. Oh, okay. You have to put it from here way down. You plug it here and press it, and then forget it, right? Basically. And then this is my favorite part, right? Removing this thing here. I like to remove it, right? I like to move it. Is it? Oh, this thing is. Yeah, I love this. Listen to this. It's so shiny and nice. And what about this? Is it here somewhere, or I don't want to damage it? That's it. Okay, just a second. I'll be right back. Oh, if I can. Oh, God. I want to do this. Okay, I want to do this. This is very important, right? And my favorite orange is missing. I'll have to find it somewhere. I want to do this, right? If you put it around this thing. So there you go. Very easy fix. Maybe put it like this way. No. Yeah, I want to put it this way. And why? Because see, this goes up, and when you do it like a round thing, see, you can always make it like this, around and around. Just bear with me. And around, and then you get protected. You get protection. Right. You get protection against this. And then you get the green one. That's nice color too. And then you get extra protection for this. That's only right now. I can do it later nicer. But you think what I mean. It's just easy kind of setup. See? And then nothing's gonna happen, right? If you go this way, and you're never gonna bump into the screen anymore. Come on, it cannot be like that. What does it say? For best appearance, please set up account. Yeah. But what about the? Is that protection? Is there anything going around? No. I don't believe it's this. I think it's. I'm not quite sure, right? I don't want to do any damage, but I think it's yeah, it's protection. Of course, I want to have experience of the real stuff. Nice and shiny stuff. Bear with me. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's shiny. Shyness comes through. Just a little bit more time. There you go. And that's the moment of truth I've been waiting for so long. Look this and hear it. That's the sound I like. And see, pristine. It's never gonna look so shiny again. Never again. Even with this protection of mine, it's still gonna keep it nice. But see, it's already, if you touch it, it's gonna be already ruined. But that's life, right? Why? No joke now. Why did I buy NX10? I'm gonna talk about this a little bit. I'm not gonna go into too much of the thing. These things sliders. These things sliders left and right. Just a second. I'm gonna bring my old one, the X9, and then we're gonna continue. Now I can compare my old one, trusty, still working good, nothing is wrong with it, and my new one. See, the back side, it's very similar, except this is like the pointy antenna, it cannot be moved, and that other one is removable. See this thing here, like this, that thing here. It's very similar. NX8, I checked, they let me open it and we checked together. And NX8 doesn't have that sliders in the back. And that's the main reason. Has this guy here, of course, but doesn't have that sliders. And I don't like it because I don't wanna be downgrading, I wanna be upgrading from my old one, which is 9-channel, and it's very good, works good. And the new one, right, has to be same, if not better. See, I did protected this similarly here, but my screen is kind of scratched, but it's still not bad after more than 5 years of usage. And that's the brand new thing here, right? So now you can compare how does it look. And yeah, this thing moves down, falls back, right? Does it fold? Yeah, folds like you don't have to press anything, it just folds down. And they say it protects the power button from engaging, and of course this one doesn't fold. And this one has a slider kind of thing to open it up, and this one doesn't. This one has a push button thing. Now we're gonna measure them like that, just to see how much, or is it any weight difference between two of them. Let's do the first. Let's do the old one first. How much is it? Whoops, I didn't turn it on. Right, need to turn it on again. Oh, it doesn't work. Now it works. Good, 0. See how it's centered nicely. I just hold it here. And it's 872 grams. Good. And then we're gonna put this guy here. Also centered nicely. And with this thing on, 822 grams. That's good enough. I'm gonna move that back. And now we're gonna continue to do other stuff what we want to do. So let's just start it for the first time just to see how that works. So it has kind of, that's the angle, it goes up and down. It locks into at certain angles, and then you just press this thing here. You just press it, press and hold it, and then it comes alive. Oh, and welcome. It's not too strong, and it is really nice. They say that these things are working great, these Hall sensors. So apparently, ooh, look at that smoothness. Very nice and smooth indeed. Wow. Nothing. You hear it, but they're kind of soft here. Nothing. And compared to the old one, let's just see what's the...
Warning, throttle high.
Okay. And that's it. Look. How many models do I have? System setup. Yes, model select. I have 73 models on this one, and of course this still looks great. It's very nice. And these guys, let's hear it. Yeah. Yeah, it's different. Okay. And I'm not gonna go into menu and everything, into that stuff. I really don't know anything now. But 3.9 volt TX, and has telemetry and other stuff. So yeah, that's how does it look. And that's it for now. I don't want to sound too clever or anything. I still need time to finish everything, and I just like the new stuff, opening the new stuff. Look at that here, guy here. I need to peel this off too. Take some time. I love it. I love them both. Actually, the old one is nostalgic. Actually, I love that pattern, the gray and the orange and black combination wheel. I didn't have any problems with it. Only one thing what is missing is telemetry. Telemetry was based on see, I feel much better now. My talk improved. Medication is taking its effect. I'm feeling much better now, and the telemetry is connected to the radio transmission through the receiver, of course. I mean, through the extra sensors, and these guys are usually implemented in the. Oh, look at that! Woohoo! 10 channel, baby. Yeah, oh, looking really sharp. Okay. Volume and everything. I'm gonna still play. It's light. It feels like a little bit plasticky, but it has that rubber pad like the old one. But it's okay. I like it, especially now. It's centered nicely. See, like the old one. Yeah, it feels very good. And I like that stuff when you finish with it. I guess you press and hold it, right? How you turn it off? Press and hold it? No? Yeah. And then it's nice and soft. And then you can put it together like this. All the way. Protected. And that's it. And this one is just a... it moved. It's just a old style. And it's very simple and effective. Shut it off and it goes off. No fuss, no problems, no nothing. Okay. Okay, that's how I finished the setup. Protecting the screen. So yellow, green, red, and this plastic too. So anywhere you hit, you cannot damage it. That's the one thing. And I want to show you how it works with this thing here. So it's nice and blue, and you touch it here, and it shows you the milliamps, 2050 milliamps, right? So that's pretty cool, and it works both way, both corners. All right, now it's charging. Yeah, it doesn't, because it holds here and here. It doesn't sit on there. Actually, I'm gonna put it like this. That's how I like it. Keeps everything nice in place and tidy. Yep. Good. That's it. Okay, recording has started. Now I'm gonna show you how I protect it first. My valuable toy, this thing here, so it's never gonna hit it, never gonna scratch it. Not say never, but it's not gonna scratch it now. So I want to show you the reason why I bought this particular model. Because of the telemetry, of course. One of the reasons, main reason. because I had everything with the DX9, but telemetry I didn't. So let's try the battery. Yeah, just smart voltage low. Okay, get out of that, and then by scrolling to the left, to the right, you have everything here nicely presented or showed. 3.84 volts, and you have electricity, current, and everything. I'm just gonna demonstrate here. I'm not gonna be flying, of course, but I just want to demonstrate how does it work. So you get instant, see, I'm gonna be just accurate. See, it doesn't draw any electricity right now. Not any, but now it draws some. And it shows 06. See, 05, 06. That's the idea, right? Just gonna hold it here. I know a lot of guys here will say this is not safe. No, it is safe if you're clever and if you're very careful. Hold, nothing is gonna happen. You can check even no excessive power here. Okay, let's go this way. So like this, and then that's good. It's good enough. Actually not. Like this. 0.5 amps. So 0.6. That's the idea, right? And then check your voltage, each cell. Hold mode. Good. So that's the idea, to show how it works and how much power and what's the voltage of each cell. That's the main idea of the system. And it's gonna work even if you don't use the smart batteries. The thing is, it's gonna work even if you use normal batteries, not smart batteries, with adapter, right? It's gonna work the same. So let's do this. Yeah, that's 374, right? There you go. Still works. P6. The reason why it works, because the information are coming not from the batteries, not from this data thing here, which one this one doesn't have, but from the ESC itself. And I would like to show you this too, what I like to. Okay, show you this feature too. See, this is very sensitive. If you unplug it straight, what's gonna happen? It's gonna stay on this because it's magnetic. This. First wait for the sharpening to happen. Is it sharp? Yes, it is. Yeah, so it's gonna go this way or this way. Doesn't matter, right? What matters is it should stay in the particular position here. And best way to how to remove it, you can plug it this way, right? Or you can plug it this way. But when you remove it, you just do this kind of twist, break it. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. I was wondering why it says 1900 milliamps, and after a while it says 2050, right? Then I realized it doesn't show you the capacity of the thing. It shows you how much is left to be fully charged, which is kind of funny, right? 950. So it's the number is getting smaller. That means it shows you the capacity, what is need to be in order to be fully charged. And capacity is 6,000 milliamps in this particular one, right? But it's kind of neat. I think it's neat. Works both way, and if you know how to remove it, it's okay. It doesn't go around this. I mean, you can still pull this and kind of. I like to put it like this and around. See, it's kind of compact in a way. There you go. Squeeze it here, and it's nice and compact. Actually, I do like it. I don't have other choice. I bought it. I don't have other choice to like it. And you can still squeeze your finger in between here, even in the lock position, and you can press. See, now it's 1800 milliamps. So if it's charging more, the number is getting down. There is no way it shows the capacity, but it shows rather how much is left to be fully charged, up to 6,000 milliamp, 1800. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I just want to show you the real, the funny, sexy features of the new DX10, which I finally bought to myself. I treated myself with that. Okay. Bye bye. Yes, I wanted to have something which has the telemetry and it's just modern design. It gives you like information, especially when you fly small helicopters. It gives you later and while you're flying. Of course, while you're flying, you're not gonna be watching this, but later you get information how fast was spinning. All the ESC information is gonna be on the display later for an analysis or something like what's the voltage. You get those alarms. You get the current. How much current does it take when it flies? All the stuff. I'm really interested in it because I like it. I like my background. It's electromechanic stuff when I finished my school back in Bosnia and Croatia. Yeah, and I always loved the radio controlled models and stuff, and technology too, computers and video taking, film industry, flying, everything combined. So it kind of intermingle itself, all these. Didn't you see that almost every pilot, RC pilot or the big pilot, like the scale pilot, rail one, they also like the radios, like not just the transmitters, but also the walkie-talkies, like radio conversation and stuff. So I think it's just the intelligence is kind of raising up when you have a nice, good quality, smart hobby as a RC, radio control, anything radio controlled is still nice hobby. one more time. Just physically outside, opening the box and measuring against it. Old one. It's it feels good. I see a lot of similarities. Yeah, I see really a lot of similarities in both of them. This one has a bigger battery than the original one. I mean original DX9 one. And as I said, you get extra channel. It's not because of channel, but also you get that magnetic thing. It should be okay. It's bad, really shame that didn't come with the USB-C instead of. But this really solves the problem, I guess. I think so. I hope so. Also, and yeah, that's my thing. I think this is really nice. It's gonna keep my screen from scratching it. That's about it. Thanks for watching me again. I know I'm boring and it's sometimes just too long my videos, but I'm excited. I wanted to share this just because of you, but because of me too. Because it's nice to have the documentary later when you have enough, not enough exact date when you did purchase something and then you played with it and yeah. It's good. I'm feeling happy and I feel good. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I don't want to keep you up too long. I'm just feeling excited in a much better mood now, and yeah, I wanna fly more. I wanna use my love, and this is like. Recording without steady shot, so the picture quality should be awesome too. Like, thank you. Thank you for enduring me and my torturing and everything. So, thanks for watching, and I'll try to be more informative and kind of funny at the same time on my account. Even like that's okay. At least somebody's laughing, right? Okay, thanks for watching and have a good life. Enjoy your life. Bye bye. And cut. Yeah, that's enough. I gobble all the time, just blah 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 blah.